In this session, we will be discussing about split area, which is very important because you have to control the typical varying bending radius, and over that particular area, when you split it, the complete bending directions will be controlled from that locations. So you have to understand the split area concept very clearly. So I will show directly inside the live example so that you can understand this concept. So open from your deform area folder inside the sheet metal advanced exercise this deform area file, and once you open this, you can see by default we have created a split area here, because you can see here the thickness is varying, and if you control this particular split area, if you divide this and with respect to this you are going to bend it, then this will flatten properly. Let me delete it and show how wrongly it shows the flatten. If you go to unbend, and typically you will be selecting your deformations areas. Let us say this is the automatic detected deformations areas, and based on that I will select this as my deformations areas and control and this. And if you go to OK, you can find very clearly that the bendings are not properly controlled. If you see this typical areas, this you cannot manufacture in this way because bending is not properly taken care. And I will just show you in more detailed way so that you can understand from the hidden line perspective. This is the area of the flattened shape which software is giving, but this typical area is not correct. You cannot create like this varying bending line and you can manufacture this. So what we have to do is we will create the split area for controlling the typical bend which we are requiring. So for understanding this, I will go to the sheet metal split area, and once you go to split area, you have to divide this area into the splitting which you are looking for, and how to divide this, that I will show you. If you go to placement and if you go to sketch, it is asking for a sketch. So when you select this particular area, directly the sketch environment will come and you have to select the references. So I will be selecting this is the one reference and this another reference, and here I have to split the areas. So directly you can use this project and you can project these areas, and I will connect these corners so that all the bending will be governed through these particular areas. I will accept this and I will go to OK. Just like that, this side also you have to specify your split area informations. Go to split area and you select this, and you have to select the references. These are my references, and now I will go to project and project the sites which I am looking for, and I will connect this. So this is the typical area which you are looking for. Now with respect to this, when you go for the bending, the scenario will be completely different. If you go to unbend, and now the deformations surface which you are looking for with respect to this, and control and only select this, the scenario will be completely different. You can see this. Now the output is pretty interesting and acceptable. If we go to view, hidden line, you can see this. This typical bend line is aligned with this one, and so that you can easily manufacture this. So this you can address directly by using your informations which you can use for the flattening, and you can see the overall size of your sheet which you need to cut here. So this is very important from practical understanding point of view and manufacturing point of view. So you have to master this particular concept which I have demonstrated from this example. Next, in our coming session, I will highlight about the manual development calculations which you do and its limitation during the sheet metal blank development and calculations.